What's up, Ferguson? Bronson Boone coming right back at you with another video. So as you can saw from last week, we moved everything and I didn't have anything to build this potato cannon with. So step one, go to Lowe's, buy all the material. Oh, sorry. All right, that trip is done. Got everything loaded in the back. Now back to the house to build the potato cannon. Good evening, Ferguson. Bronson Boone coming right back at you with another video, and this is going to be titled How to Make a Potato Gun with Almost Absolutely Nothing. So as you can see from this well-lit, mostly empty garage, we are still not completely moved in. However, resourcefulness is the ultimate resource, so I'm going to still continue to beat you up through video format by making a potato cannon with almost nothing. Let's watch what happens next. Alright, welcome to the Bronson Boone shop. I'm going to take you a quick tour around what we have here. So this is 2 lawn chairs with metal brackets to hold the combustion chamber in place so that when the reciprocating saw, here, actually a circular saw, don't mess up the terminology on public TV, cuts through the Schedule 40 plastic, while sparks and plastic may fly everywhere, my fingers and my toes will not. Step 2, coming right up. Alright, so as you know, we always follow proper shop technique in the Boone shop. So here is the line that we are going to be cutting. I've also added a handy dandy label saying cut here. That way I won't be confusing the line that I need to cut with all of these other lines that, while they might not be here in person, it's better to be safe than sorry. As they say, measure once, cut twice. No. Measure twice, cut once, yeah. Measure twice, cut once. Let's do this. And we have critical failure, otherwise known as success. A clean cut all the way through, on to step 3. All right, so now that the can is open, be right back. Can, rag, open. Can, screwdriver, now we can begin step 2. Alright, step 15. So we are now going to begin the actual process of assembling the combustion chamber. To do that, we'll need this very clean surface here. And I'm just going to slowly start applying this highly toxic, also highly flammable, highly flammable primer to the PVC pipe. Now, you may think this guy is doing this all wrong, but I have no idea what I'm doing. So there is no wrong. There's just do or do not. There's a Star Wars quote for you. So once this is appropriately applied, we'll move on to step 2. In the meantime, I'm going to go get a mask and read the instructions. Alright, so the instructions say, once the cement is ready to be applied to these surfaces, be sure to apply cement quickly. So I'm now going to do a time lapse to make sure that this gets here fast enough. Coming right up. All right, side 1 done. Time to do side 2. Wash, rinse, repeat. All right, so I've already learned something. As you can see from the markings here, for the second time around, I have applied an indicator to know just how much I need to paint on with the primer. So this time I will be able to apply quickly and prevent that from happening. Hopefully, we will see. All right, let's do this. And cut. All right, so instead of filming that, I decided to do it horizontally. And as you can see, that turned out much better than this end. So now that the canister is complete, I will begin to assemble the tube. Coming up next, step 13, or whatever we're on now. All right, next up, attach the canister to the firing line, just like this. And we're done. All right, let's fire it up. All right, moment of truth. This comes together. All right, I think I got that all over my hands. Hopefully they will come unstuck. All right, potato cannon complete. However, there's always one way to make things better. Spray paint. All right, Ferguson. Well, the rain unfortunately really ruined the plans to spray paint tonight, so this project is over. If you would like to see the complete design, spray paint and all, tune back in next week to see the battle of the Boones, and we will see who can best each other with a potato cannon. I did have a really fun time making this video. I look forward to seeing what you got. Have a good evening.